Everybody, welcome to another Square Food Foundation recipe kit. This week you have got some delicious homemade baked beans with really nice jacket potato. It's a really good simple recipe to show you how to make this absolute classic. It's really simple.
So the first thing you want to do is prepare all your vegetables really finely diced, and then add a good splash of olive oil to a pan. Add your beautifully diced vegetables into the pan, and you can sweat that for a good sort of 20 to 30 minutes until really lovely and soft. Make sure you put some seasoning in as well, and then whilst that's sweating down you can get your potato ready. So give it a good cross in both sides of your potato. Drizzle a little bit of some sunflower oil and rub that all over the potato and sprinkle it with some lovely sea salt, and then pop it in the oven at about 180 for an hour to an hour and a half. Our vegetables are looking beautiful, so we're going to add in our chopped tomatoes, give it a good stir, and then in goes some ketchup and also some brown sugar. That's going to add a lovely sweetness to it. And the ketchup just adds a bit of vinegariness. Adding a splash of water. We're going to let that cook down for another few minutes, and then we're going to whiz it up using a stick blender. If you don't have a stick blender, just use a potato masher. Once it's nice and smooth, you're going to add a mixture of corn flour and water to the pan to thicken it up, and then you're going to add in your beans. These are just some lovely cannellini beans, which are traditionally used in baked beans. And then you're going to cook that for another sort of 10 to 20 minutes until lovely and thick and smooth. You can see them sizzling beautifully, the colour is deepened, and they're going to be absolutely fantastic on your jacket potato. Do check for seasoning as well, add a good amount of salt.
So it's been about an hour now, so I'm just going to check the potato. I'm pretty sure it's cooked. So just taking it out with a pair of tongs nice and safely, popping it on the plate. So I can feel it's nice and crispy. And one really good way to check if it's cooked is to just hop a knife in. It's nice and soft in the middle, so I know it's cooked. I'm just going to cut. I like to cut them into quarters and just open it up and give it a little pinch. Then I'm going to put a little bit of butter into the middle of that, and that will melt and that will go really nice and delicious. Just like that. And then we've got our homemade baked beans here. So I think you want a nice good scoop. I'm going to put that straight onto the top, and that'll help that butter melt a bit more. And then also, one of the best parts, lots of grated cheese on top. And there we have it. Jacket potato with homemade baked beans. Hope you enjoy. As always, we love to see all the pictures that you guys take when you make it. So please do send them in. It's always great for us to see. Thank you.